Come on, quickly. Why are you taking so much time? And I'm warning you girls also, don't copy much that. Take out the copy and start writing. So now, let us look at the entrance corner, okay, of chapter 2. Chapter 2. So, everybody has got the books? Yes. Okay. Let us say question number 3. Question number 3. I cannot do all the questions here, okay? We will do some questions here, and if you have any doubts regarding the other questions, you can ask me in the doubt session, okay? So let us see question number 3. Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi, while Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku. The total marks obtained by all three 76. Find the marks obtained by Raman. Isn't it? Okay. So let us see. Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi, isn't it? So let us start. Just a second. Yes, Sujan, quickly unmute and tell me what is your doubt? Why did you raise your hand? Sujan, you can unmute and tell me. Sujan, I'm asking you one last time. You can unmute now and tell me and ask me what is your doubt? Yes, Aishwarya, what is your doubt? Why did you raise your hand? Yes, Aishwarya, what is your doubt? Why did you raise your hand? Yeah. Yes, 0 by 5 is also a rational number. 0 by... Yeah, tell me. Yes, it can also be a rational number. What is the definition of a rational number? It is P by Q, isn't it? Where P and Q both should be integers, isn't it? We are talking about Aishwarya's doubt is what? Rational number. Okay. I'm writing here on the board. Aishwarya's doubt is regarding rational numbers.
Once you check whether they are able to hear it.
Yes, ma'am.
So someone said some voices not.
Okay. Aishwarya, are you able to hear me properly? Okay, so what do we know about rational numbers here? That P and Q both should be integers. And another important condition is that Q cannot be 0, isn't it? Q cannot be 0. So look at this. Here, this is P and this is Q. Q is not 0, Q is 5. So and 0 and 5 both are integers. So 0 by 5 is an integer, is a rational number, okay? And also 2 is an integer. Minus 1 is an integer. So 2 by minus 1 is also a rational number. And this Q is not 0. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, sum of 3 odd numbers always odd, isn't it? So, do you have any doubts regarding that? Yeah. How? 7 plus 5 plus 11, isn't it? 7 plus 5 plus 11 is how much? 7 plus 5, 12 plus 11, 23 odd, isn't it? Yeah. Sum of 3 odd numbers is always odd, okay? Okay, so we'll begin with our today's class. It is regarding the entrance corner of chapter 2. Okay? Okay, so now we are dealing with question number 3. Actually, there are many questions in the entrance corner, so we cannot do each and every question here. You all will be trying these questions at your home by yourself, and if you are unable to do them, then we have our doubt session. You can ask me, isn't it? So we'll be looking at a few questions in the class. Okay? So let us start with question number 3. This will be page number 12 also. The page number also I am writing so that some of you don't get confused. Page number 16. Who said 16? 12. Page number 12. Okay. Entrance corner, chapter number 2. So, let us begin. Number 3 is what? Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi, isn't it? So, let us assume, suppose Kaku's marks as 7. Kaku got 7 marks more than Bakshi. Nobody's marks is given. So, suppose Kaku's marks equal to X. Okay? Kaku's marks equal to X. Where is that girl who raises her hand all the time? She didn't come today? Okay. She's taking some rest, isn't it? Her hand might be paining. So, Kaku's marks is X. And what is given? Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. So, what will be Bakshi's marks? If Kaku's marks is X, okay, I'm writing curse here, you might not understand. What will be Bakshi's marks? What will be Bakshi's marks? Kaku got 7 less than Bakshi. Then Bakshi got 7 more than Kaku. It is given Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. Isn't it? Then Bakshi got how much? 7 more than Kaku. Yes or no, Gagan? So if Kaku is X, then Bakshi I can write X plus 7. Yes or no? Kaku got 7 less than Bakshi, so Bakshi got 7 more than Kaku. Kaku is X, so Bakshi marks should be 7, X plus 7. Yeah. And Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku, isn't it? So what is Raman's marks?
3 marks more.
Raman's marks should be how much? Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku. So X plus 3. Clear? Simple. This is given. Also it is given that the total marks obtained by all 376. What is it given? Total marks obtained by all 376. What does it mean? It means the total, the sum of all 376, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So now, simply you can solve. After solving, what will you get? Solve it and find the value of X. What will you get X from here? You can solve for X, isn't it? Have you all done this type of things? Equations? Huh?
No, sir.
You have not done equations?
No, sir. Never done this, sir.
Huh? You tried in school, right? Huh? Can you find the value of X from here? Will you find it? Like, can you try to find it? Can you try to find it? Value of X? You can't. Why? Because in school also you are doing only naughtiness, isn't it?
Yes,
You are
sir.
talking and disturbing in the class.
Yes, sir. Every time you disturb.
Yeah. So if you don't focus on your studies, how will you be able to do such problems? Huh? They didn't teach that type of problem. Does somebody study with you in the school there? In the same class? Can you do this problem? Can you find x? Can you find x? Can you find x? Can you find x? No. They haven't found it? No. Or yes? Nobody can find x from here. Huh? Nobody can find x? Why did they do it this way? Why did they do this question? Okay. Okay, let us see. Not 25. 20? Not 25. See, if I add these three, this much you understood? Up to 76?
Yes, sir.
Total marks obtained means addition of all three 76. So I can write it like this.
Yes.
This is what we have got. Okay. Now implies how many x are there?
3.
X plus x?
3x.
3x. Clear? X plus x is 3x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Plus 7 plus 3 is
10.
10. Clear? Equal to 76. This much clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see. Now I'll keep the x terms on the left hand side. This is your, hold on. This is your left hand side of the equation. This is called an equation, right? This is equal to. This is the left hand side and this 76 is the right hand side, RHS, isn't it? This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. So we'll keep the x terms on the left hand side and write all the number terms on the right hand side. Okay? So how will we do this? How will we do this? If we keep all the x on the left hand side, it will be 3x, just a second, 3x equal to 76 is there on the right hand side. Now we have to take 10 on the right hand side as well. So 10 on the left hand side was plus 10.
Yes, sir.
Plus 10, Varshini, right? 10 on the left hand side was plus 10. When it goes to a right hand side, it will become minus 10. Okay? Plus will become? If it was minus, it would have become? If it was into, it would have become? And if it was division, it would have become? Multiplication. Okay? These are the reverse things. Plus and minus are reverse. Plus and minus are reverse.
Yes, sir.
And into and division are reverse. Isn't it? Okay? So now, yes, Tanmay, you can unmute and tell me what doubt do you have? This question is from your entrance corner, chapter number 2, page number 12. Okay. Did you listen from the beginning? So that is what I am trying to show you, isn't it? See, what is given in the question? Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi, and all this information is given, right? So now we have assumed first that Kaku's marks is X. Clear? Actually, see, X means X is whenever we take X, whenever we consider X, X is actually called variable. What is X called? Variable. It actually means X is an unknown quantity, okay? X is what? X is an unknown quantity. We do not know how much marks Kaku got, isn't it? In the question, we actually do not know how much marks Kaku got. So, if x is unknown, then if we don't know anything is unknown to us, then we write x. Okay. We do not know Kaku's marks. If anything is unknown to us, then we assume this is suppose x. Clear? Is it clear? Tanmay? Is it clear? If we do not know any number, if any number is unknown to us, then we assume that number is x. Okay? Okay? Tanmay? Okay. So x is not known to us, x is unknown. That is why we consider, since we do not know Kaku's marks, so we consider that is x. We consider x for things we do not know. Okay. So after we consider Kaku's marks as x, then it is given that Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. That means Bakshi's marks can be taken as x plus 7. Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku, so Raman's marks x plus 3. Now it is given that the total marks obtained by the 3 of them, is given 76. It means adding the 3 marks, we can get 76. Now how do we add them? This is how we add them. There are 3x, 1, 2, 3. So we wrote 3x, and the two numbers 7 plus 3 gives us 10, equal to 76. Okay, equal to 76. Now we'll keep the x terms on the left hand side, which is 3x, and take the number terms, which are constants, number terms on the right hand side. So it will be, since 10 is plus on the left hand side, it will become minus on the right hand side. So it will become 3x equal to 76 minus 10. So what does it mean? It means 3x equal to, what is 76 minus 10? 66. Now see, now what is the meaning of 3x? 3x actually means what? 3x actually means 3 into x. Okay. Whenever we write 3x, it actually means what? 3 into x. So now we have to take 3 to the right hand side. So if it is 3 into x, exactly. If it is 3 into x, then this will become what? It will give us x equal to 3 will be here. Since it is 3 into x, it will become 66 divided by 3. Isn't it? Multiplication and division are repeated. If it is multiplication, it will become division. Isn't it? So it will become x equal to 66 by 3. Yeah, tell me. X don't have any value means see, we don't know the value of x, isn't it? We don't know the value of x anything, so that is why, see, basically we write x to assume, whenever we assume something, whenever we take x to assume something, okay? What do we assume? Some quantity which we do not know. Yeah, x can take any number. Basically, we have to find the value of x, okay? Who is this? Is this Tanmay? No. Who is this? Okay, Tanmay. So see, I told you Kaku's marks we do not know, isn't it? So that is why something which we do not know, we consider that as x here. Okay? We consider that as x, where x can take any value. X is x is any whole number. Okay? And that we have to find out what is that whole number. Understood, Tanmay? We do not have x because we do not have Kaku's marks given. We do not have any marks given. So we have to find Kaku's marks. Okay? Yeah, x can take any number. No, x can take any number. Now we have to find out what number will x take. That is why we are now solving the equation. Okay? We are now solving the equation to find out what number will x take. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So now, how much did you get? Since it is 3 into x here, so on the right hand side became 66 divided by 3. Okay. So x will be 22. What is 66 divided by 3? 22. So now we have got x equal to 22. Okay? But what do we have to find? Question is given, find the marks obtained by Raman. And what is x? X is marks obtained by Kaku, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
X is marks obtained by?
Kaku.
But what we have to find?
Raman.
Raman's. And what is Raman's marks? X plus? 3. So basically we have to find x plus 3. So x plus 3 equal to how much? X is 22. 22 plus 3, the answer is 25. Somebody said 25 before?
This one.
And he is 39. Okay. So this is our answer 25. Option number 2, isn't it? 25 is option number 2. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear how to solve this equation?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you have x, now is it clear? And you forget it tomorrow, isn't it? Okay. Everybody is written it down. If you want to write it down, where is your copy? Okay? Where is the copy? Huh? Did you bring a copy? You forgot. You forgot to copy. How did you do math? How did you do math? How did you forget it? You came from home, right? How did you forget a copy? Huh? What is the copy doing at home and you are doing here without a copy? Give me a page. You want to write it down or do you not want to write it down? Okay. Show him later. He'll show him. Huh? You understood? Everybody understood this? Okay.
Sir, don't rub.
I'm not rubbing. Yes, Purvika, you raised your hand. You can unmute and ask me. Yes, Purvika, you can unmute and ask me. What is your question? Purvika, what is your question? Purvika, why did you raise your hand? Unmute and ask me. What is your doubt? Okay. Just a quick reminder to every student sitting at home. If the meeting suddenly ends, quickly join by the same link. Okay. Okay. So now after this, we will do another question. Which question should we do? Everybody, which question should we do? Yeah? Yes, tell me. Somebody said. Okay, so which one? Number 4 or number 6?
Number 4.
Huh?
First one.
4 or 5? Raise your hands for number 4. And raise your hands for number 5. You want both? Okay, let's see. We'll start 4 and if we can do number 5, we'll do it. Huh? You want to sit there? Okay. So, what is number 4? Number 4 is same only. Who asked number 4? Number 4 is similar only. Ram got 8 marks more than Shamil in examination. Anil got 4 marks more than Ram in the same examination. If all 3 of them got 128 marks together as total, Ram's marks is zero. Same similar question to number 3, isn't it? You can try it at your home. Number 5 is also similar, isn't it? Rajesh's weight is 5 kg less than Ram's weight. And Neha's weight is 3 kg more than Ram's weight. Okay, let us see for number 5 only. It is similar only. In number 5, we have got Rajesh's weight is 5 kg less than Ram's weight, isn't it? Again, we do not know anybody's weight, so I am taking Rajesh's weight as X. Okay, why do we take X? To denote an unknown quantity. We do not know Rajesh's weight, so we are taking Rajesh's weight as suppose X kg. Okay, X kgs. Now, if Rajesh's weight I take X kg, then what is Ram's weight? What is Ram's weight? It is given that Rajesh's weight is 5 kg less than Ram. So Ram's weight should be 5 kg more than Rajesh. So Ram's weight should be 5 kg more than Rajesh. So Ram should be X plus 5 kg. Yes or no? And Neha's weight is 3 kg more than Ram. So Neha's weight is given here 3 kg more than Ram. So what will be 3 kg more than Ram? X plus 5 plus 3.
X plus 8.
What will be Neha's weight? 3 kg more than Ram? Where is the book? Why are you fighting with the book? Can't you share the book? So what will be Neha's weight? 3 kg more than Ram, it is given. What is Neha's weight given? 3. Neha's weight is given 3 kg more than Ram. If you are looking at your book, you could have told that, isn't it? Neha's weight is given 3 kg more than Ram. If you stop playing with your desk, then you will be able to tell me that, isn't it, Gagan? So Neha's weight will be 3 kg more than Ram. Ram's weight is 5 kg more than Rajesh. And we took Rajesh's weight as X because we don't know what is the weight. No weight is given. Unknown quantity. Right? Unknown quantity. That is why we take X. Okay? So now, what is given? What else is given? If the weight of three of them is 103 kg, means the total weight is given what? 103 kg. Total weight equal to 103 kg. So total weight 103 kg means add all of them. It means implies, this is implies sign, okay? Equal to and an arrow implies sign. Total weight means x plus 5 plus x plus 5. Okay, this is x plus 5 plus 3. Can I write it x plus 8?
Yes, sir.
5 plus 3 is 8, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I can write it x plus 8. Okay, equal to 103. Now add them. X plus x will give you 3x, isn't it? Plus 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 8 is? What? Anything wrong? So now, if you take 13 to the right hand side, it plus 13 will become?
Minus 13.
103 minus 13.
90.
103 minus 13 is?
90.
90. 3x equal to 90. Now 3x means again 3 into x, isn't it?
Sir.
So if you take 3 to the right hand side, it will become 90 divided by 3.
Yes, sir. 30.
Implies x equal to 90 divided by 3.
30.
Okay. So what is x? X is 30.
33.
X is 30. Now what you have to find? Weight of Ram is. And what is the weight of Ram here? X plus?
5.
X plus 5.
35 kg.
Isn't it? Weight of Ram is x plus 5. So what will be weight of Ram?
25.
Equal to
35.
30 plus 5, which is 35 kg. Okay? Is it clear? Is this clear? Is this question clear?
Sir.
Similar question only to number 2 that we did. Yes, Niksha? Niksha? You raised your hand, right? Do you have a doubt? Divisibility by 11. Yesterday we did that, right? Okay. So now, I'll just quickly repeat the divisibility by 11. Okay. This one everybody understood? This question?
Yes,
These two
sir.
questions? How to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we are in a doubt solving time, okay? So, let us see. Divisibility question, isn't it? Divisibility by 11. Niksha asked divisibility by 11. Now divisibility by 11 you can find in your page number 11, okay? You can find in page number 11, chapter 2. So how do you check whether a number is divisible by 11 or not? Yesterday we did that, isn't it? How do you check it? If you have a number, suppose 2, 4, 5, 6, here 3, 0, Suppose this is your number. Okay. So now, how to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not? How to check it? If digits in odd place, if the sum of digits, if the sum of digits in even places is equal to the sum of digits in odd places, isn't it? These are your odd places. These are the odd places, and these are the even places. Okay. Odd places means this is the first place, this is the third place, this is number 5 place, and this is number 7 place. Right? And the even places are, this is number 2 place, this is place number 4, and this is place number 6. Okay. So if the sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits in odd places equal to sum of digits in even places, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11 is equal to sum of digits in even places. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 11, right? What is the sum of the digits here in odd places? It will be 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0, right? 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0, which is 13, right?
Yes, sir.
It's coming. And which are the digits in the even places? 3 plus 4 plus 6. 3 plus 4 plus 6, which is again 13. So they are 2 equal, 13 equal to 13. So this is satisfied. So I can say that our this number 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 0. This number will be divisible by 11. This number will be divisible by 11. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, anybody in this class has any doubt? Wonderful. Sit down. Yesterday when you talked, doesn't it? That it is divisible by 6. What is divisible by 6? Read it. Read it. Don't you read at home?
The number is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2 as
So now, what is your name?
Dheeraj.
Dheeraj. So Dheeraj is asking divisibility by 6. Again, same page number 11, okay? Page number 11, divisibility by 6. Now divisibility by 6 basically, how do you check it? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Why? Because 6 is equal to 2 into 3, okay? So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. And how is it possible? Let us check a number. Suppose, let us say 513. Now check whether it is divisible by 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How do you check divisible by 3, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
How do you check divisible by 3? You asked for 6. Do you know about 3? No. A number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, okay? What is the sum of the digits here? 5 plus 1 plus 3, which is 9. And now 9 is divisible by 3. Okay? Or 9 is divisible by 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is 9 divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
So, this number 513 is actually divisible by 3. But is it divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
No, because for 513 to be divisible by 2, for any number to be divisible by 2, the digit in the units place, should be even or 0. The digit in the units place should be
1 or 0.
even or
0.
0. That is, it should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. But here it is 3, which is odd. So this 513 is not divisible by 2. Okay? So ultimately 516 is actually not divisible by 6. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Clear? Okay. Now anybody sitting at home has any doubt? Anyone? You can raise your hand. Anybody sitting at home has any doubt? Anyone can raise their hand? Yes, Amulya? Do you have any doubt? You raise your hand. You can unmute and ask. Amulya? Yes, Amulya, tell me. Second question. Third question we just did. This is the first question we did today, isn't it? Amulya? So this third question, Amulya, just now we solved, isn't it? Okay, which part you didn't understand? Tell me. No. It was 3x equal to 7. It was 3x plus 10 equal to 76, isn't it? Amulya, it was like this, isn't it? 3x plus 10 equal to 76. Did you note it down? So this line, isn't it? 3x plus 10 equal to 76. Okay, you didn't understand from here. See, what we want to do is keep the x terms on the left hand side, okay? And take the number terms to the right hand side, okay? So here, if I keep 3x on the left hand side, now I have to take 10 to the right hand side. Now see, on the left hand side, 10 is what? Plus 10, isn't it? Plus 10. So if it goes to the right hand side, its sign will change to minus, okay? Why? Because this is basically an equation, isn't it? See, equal to is there. Because of this equal to, we call this an equation. In an equation, when any number or any quantity changes their side, okay? During change of side, just a second, during change of side, first of all, to others sitting at home, this is from page number 12, entrance corner, page number 12, question number 3 we just did today. So now, just 1 second. If we change side, then a quantity with plus will become minus, okay? And minus will become plus. If it is multiplied, it will become divided, and if it is divided, it will become multiplied. Clear? So these are actually opposites. Plus, minus are opposite, and multiplication and division are opposite. So now, here 3x equal to 76 minus 10 is 66. So now, see, 3x means what? 3x means 3 into x. Okay. See, when we write 3x, okay? When we write 3x, it means 3 into this x. How did we get 3x? How did we get 3x? We got it by x plus x plus x. We got it by x plus x plus x. So, no. So, now see, for example, I ask you, Amulya, what is 5 plus 5 plus 5? 15. Now, it is the same as 3 into 5. 15 is the same as 3 into 5, isn't it? So that means what? Instead of counting 5 plus 5 plus 5, instead of counting that, we can do 3 into 5, isn't it? Because there are 3 5s there, right? So similarly, since there are 3x here, we did a 3 into x, okay? What 5? No, that is an example. Amulya, that is just an example, okay? Just an example to make you understand. So you understood, if we have x plus x 3 times, I can write 3 into x. So if we write 3 into x, we can actually, instead of writing this into, it is the same as writing 3x, okay? 3 into x and 3x is the same thing. 3 into x and 3x is the same thing. So, here it is multiplied, right? So, now we'll take 3 to the right hand side, then it will become 66 divided by 3, okay? X will become 66 divided by 3. Whose phone is that? Yeah, it will become 22, isn't it? Understood now? Yeah, but we have to find something else, isn't it? This is x. X is the marks of who? Yeah, tell me. They've given what? Yeah. Yeah, Amulya, see, now we have just found the value of x, isn't it? But x is whose marks? X we consider Kaku's marks. X we consider Kaku's marks, isn't it? But what is the question? Find the marks obtained by Raman. Right? And what did we consider? Yeah. And what did we take Raman's marks? X plus 3. Yeah. See your answer, see your copy. You wrote it. Raman's marks is x plus 3. No, did you write Raman's marks is x plus 3? Did you write earlier we took Kaku's marks x, isn't it? Kaku's marks x, Baksh's marks x plus 7 and Raman's marks x plus 3. So now we got x equal to 22. So what will be Raman's marks? X plus 3? No, x is what? X is 22, na? So x plus 3 is 25, isn't it? So is your answer 25, Raman's marks? Exactly, okay. Yeah, well. Okay then, it's already 7 o'clock, that will be all for today. Okay, everyone sitting at home, that will be all for today. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Sorry?
Bye, sir.
Oh.
Bye, sir.
Sorry, what are you saying? Okay, take care. Bye bye, take care, study well.